Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Gerabin Fashion Trends. Today I am so excited to talk with you about autumn outfits for women and how to create a stylish look for this beautiful season. Autumn is that special time of year when the weather starts to cool down, the air feels fresh, and we all begin to enjoy cozy clothes and warm layers. It is the perfect moment to fresh your wardrobe and to play with new fashion trends while staying comfortable and chic. In this video, I will share many ideas, tips, and style thoughts that can help you look elegant, modern, and naturally beautiful all through the autumn months. Let's start by thinking about the feeling of autumn. The day can be sunny and a little warm, but morning and evening often bring a light chill. This means we need clothes that can work for different temperatures. The best way to dress is by using layers. A soft t-shirt or light blouse under a cardigan or a thin sweater gives you comfort with the weather changes. You can take off a layer if the sun comes out or add a scarf when it gets cool. Layers are not only practical but also give a stylish look because they add depth and interest to your outfit. One of the key fashion trends for autumn is the relaxed but polished style. Women everywhere are loving outfits that feel easy but still look smart. Think of loose but neat trousers, soft knit tops, and clean shoes. You do not need tight clothes to look fashionable. Instead, choose shapes that allow you to move and breathe. A wide leg pant with a simple top and a light coat can look very elegant without any effort. Add a pair of nice sneakers or ankle boots, and you have a modern outfit for a day in the city or a casual lunch with friends. Another big trend is the return of classic coats. A good coat is always worth having, and this year long coats are very popular. A simple trench coat, a work coat with a belt, or a soft wool coat can make any outfit look more stylish. Even if you wear a plain t-shirt and jeans, adding a long coat will instantly lift your look. Choose a coat that fits well on the shoulders and has clean lines. It will be a piece you can use for many years. Knitwear is also everywhere this autumn. Sweaters, cardigans, and knit dresses bring warmth and texture to your wardrobe. A chunky knit cardigan over a simple dress creates a cozy yet chic style. You can also layer a thin turtleneck under a sleeves dress for a smart and playful outfit. Knits are perfect for older women too because they give softness and comfort while still looking classy. Pick good quality knits if you can because that they will keep their shape and last longer. For bottoms, this season is all about variety. Straight leg jeans are a timeless choice and always look good. You can also try tailored trousers for a more dress look or a soft pleated skirt for a feminine touch. Midi skirts are very trendy right now and they work well with boots. Pair a midi skirt with a cozy sweater and you have an effortless autumn outfit that feels comfortable and looks amazing. Shoes are another important part of an autumn looks. Ankle boots are a must because they go with almost everything. You can wear them with jeans, skirt or dresses. Loafers are also a stylish choice and they give a neat look without being too formal. If you prefer something more relaxed, clean white sneakers can keep your outfit fresh and modern. Just make sure they are in good condition because shoes can make or break a look. Accessories add the final touch. Scarves are not only practical but also a simply way to add style. A soft scarf around your neck or even dropped over your shoulder gives a cozy feeling and can brighten up a plain outfits. A structured handbag or a crossbody bag can also make your look complete. For jewelry, you do not need too much. A pair of small earrings or a delicate necklace can bring elegance without taking over your outfits. Colors is another way to enjoy autumn fashion. You can stay with natural tones like cream, beige, or gray for a calm and classic style. You can also add small pops of brighter color if you like. The idea is to choose colors that make you feel happy and confident. Do not worry about strict rules. Fashion is about expressing yourself, and autumn is the perfect time to try new shades or mix soft and bold tones. One of the most beautiful things about autumn fashion is that it works for women of every age. Whether you are young or mature, you can wear these trends in your own way. The key is to find clothes that fit you well and make you feel comfortable and confident. Is the most stylish thing you can wear. If you feel good in your outfits, you will always look fashionable. When you plan your autumn wardrobe, think about a few key pieces that you can mix and match. A good coat, a capsule of cozy sweater, a pair of well-fitting trousers, and a comfortable pair of boots can create many outfits. You do not need to buy a lot of clothes. Instead, choose quality pieces that you can wear again and again. This is not only good for your style but also better for the planet. Fashion trends this year celebrate individually oversized blazers and still very popular and they are perfect for autumn. You can wear a blazer over a t-shirt and jeans for a relaxed day look or pair it with tailored trouser for a dinner out. Another trend is the soft knit dress, which is both comfortable and elegant. Belt it at the waist if you want to highlight your shape or wear it loose for a modern easy vibe. Let's also talk about texture. Autumn is a great season to play with different fabrics, mixing materials like wool, cotton, denim, and leather makes your outfits more interesting. For example, Wearing a soft knit with a sleek leather bag or pairing a wool coat with smooth trousers creates a rich and stylish look. Texture adds the depth and gives even simple clothes a fashionable edge. Remember that fashion is not about buying everything new. You can refresh your autumn style by using what you already own. Try wearing an old cardigan in a new way or add a belt to a coat to give it a different shape. Small changes can make a big difference and keep your wardrobe exciting without spending too much. As we enjoy this autumn season, the most important thing is to dress in a way that make you feel happy. Choose clothes that suit your life and express your personality. Whether you love classic style or like to follow the latest trend, there is always a way to make autumn fashion your own. Take time to try on different outfits, play with layers, and enjoy the cozy feelings of this time of years. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope these ideas inspire you to create stylish autumn outfits that make you feel confident and beautiful. Remember that fashion is for everyone and there are no strict rules. Take time to try on different outfits, play with layers, and enjoy the cozy feelings of this time of years. Thank you so much for spending this time with me.